everyone. Good morning, PCOs. Kumusta? Pangilang araw na ng training natin ito.
Fourth po.
Fourth. At tapos tomorrow pa. Graduation tomorrow? Ganun ba?
Yes po.
Wow. So, as early as now, I would like to congratulate everyone. So, malapit na tayong maging ganap na PCO and pakiasikaso agad yung accreditation natin kasi kapag hindi na tayo na-accredit agad and then pumasok na tayo as PCO in an industry, may issuehan pa rin tayo ng notice of violation. Ang aga kong magsabi ng notice of violation. Sige, correction. Pag pursuant to regular evaluation activity lang. Pag tumakbo din yung penalty daily, kawawa naman yung ating industry. Supporting documents natin kasi yun na yung opportunity natin para i-present doon sa ating hearing officer yung kung meron na tayong compliance. Po na time for payment of fines ay 10 days. Ang time for compliance minsan 7, 10. It is an enhancement of the law. It is an enhancement of the main law that it implements. Okay po? Meron pa yung cessation of operations. So, ex parte order, ex parte without need of a hearing nung nadidispense dyan yung administrative chemicals under RA 6969. Bakit naman prohibited chemicals na tinatran ang EMB na mag-impose ng 2 penalty? Okay po. 'Di ba? So, good as wala na yung permit na yon tapos nag-operate ka pa din, mape-penalize ka pa din for that. Which is mahirap but mas madaling mag-comply. Mas madaling mag-comply, mas mura pa. Okay? Kaysa mag-violate pa tayo at umabot ng assistance. Ay tinulungan ka na nga. Tapos syempre, edi sunod na lang din tayo agad. Okay po. So interim na CDO, ito po ay ilan na sampling just to check if they are already if the mitigating measures they are implementing are effective. Okay? So copy ng order. Okay po? So after 15 days, wala loss for that matter, okay? Ito pong CNC sinasabi lang na hindi tayo covered by okay, hindi yung nandoon ka na sa technical conference